Okay, so you asked me. It's good, it's a bit wobbly, but guess I'm the first to show it, so we'll show it. CB mode, HF mode, ham mode, CB mode, HF. So let's see. We turn it off. Who knows if it'll work anyway. I was asked by so many people. So let's see. Band D as a start, probably. Functions. Bloody key beep. Horrible. Let's see what we got here. Mic gain, electret, vol echo, SWR, scan, dimmer, Vox, NRC, FM audio, 2K, 4K, new, SSB, CW beep, VFO steps, 5, talkback, clarifier, transmit, receive and transmit, clarifier range, repeater shift. Okay, so that's a few more interesting things. Repeater mode. No, nothing much there. Channels. Plus 10 kilohertz, that's new. Roger beep, power, low, middle, high. Keys, microphone, no. Time, device. Now does that say the work mode has changed, maybe to HF? Work mode HF. There we are. Interesting. Really interesting. So we have FM, AM, USB, USB, LSB, PA, CW. Interesting. Okay, let's see what else we can find, and we'll be back in just a little bit.